Okay po.
What are you playing? Hello everyone. She is Amara Clarice, my beautiful daughter. What are you playing, baby? You know what is that? That is monkey. Here is the monkey. Look at the monkey. This is the cat. Meow. That is the snail. Meow. Ay, di pala. That is the cow. Moo. Moo. This is a rooster. This is a dog. This is a mouse. This is a frog. Frog. Do you know some animals? Huh? Monkey? Monkey. Yun yung monkey. Have you seen our white cat? Does this look like our cat? Meow. Meow. Have you seen a dog outside?
Yep.
This is look like a dog outside.
No. Bulldog yan eh. May bulldog yan.
Have you seen a rooster outside?
Yep.
Look at the rooster. Look at the rooster, Nak. Look at the rooster. Oh. Have you seen a rooster? Yeah? Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Magpapaalam muna kami dahil matutulog na si Amara. See you on our next video. Keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming susunod na video at sa susunod na kakyutan ni Amara. And don't forget to share. Bye-bye!